Welcome to LangChain Tutorial 4. Today, we're exploring EntityMemory, a powerful technique that allows an LLM to smartly extract and store specific facts, or entities, about people, places, and organizations mentioned in a conversation, moving beyond simple message history. We'll be setting up a custom EntityMemory class that uses Groq for extraction, demonstrating how these entities are continuously updated, and finally querying for specific information about those entities. This is ideal for building highly personalized and fact-aware conversational agents. First, let's quickly install the required packages: LangChain Groq, LangChain Core for messages, and python.env. Next, we handle imports and API key setup. We initialize the Groq LLM with a model like llama-3.3-70b-versatile, as its fast response time and strong instruction following are perfect for this multi-step memory process. The heart of this tutorial is our custom EntityMemory class. The key component is the _extract_entities method. Every time the user sends a message, this method is called. It uses an LLM call with a precise system prompt and the current conversation history to, first, extract any new named entities, and second, update the descriptions of any existing entities. It enforces a structured JSON output, ensuring we have clean, queryable data about key concepts, such as a person's name or their organization. We initialize our memory object and then define a chat function. Critically, the prompt template for this function includes the known entities information retrieved from our memory store. This entity context is consistently injected into the LLM's prompt, making it aware of all stored facts. Let's simulate a conversation where the user provides facts about themselves one by one: their name, job, company, manager, and work technologies. After each message, the agent is running the entity extraction process, gradually building a knowledge graph about the user. Notice how the agent confirms and expands on the information in its responses. Now let's peek inside the memory store. You can see a clean list of extracted entities: Emma, TechCorp, John Smith, Python, and Spark, each with a succinct description. Unlike buffer memory, we're not storing every message, only the relevant facts, making this storage incredibly efficient. Finally, we query the agent for specific facts. We ask, "Who is my manager?" and "Where do I work?" The agent successfully recalls and answers these questions using the facts stored in the entity store, proving that the entity extraction method is working robustly. In summary, EntityMemory is a more advanced and scalable memory solution than simple buffer memory. It's fantastic for applications that require recalling specific facts, like names, dates, or technical details, over very long conversations, offering efficient query-specific context management.